All right, and news that we're just getting right now following the implementation of Stage 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan by the Central Pollution Control Board, the CPCB. The Singapore High Commission has issued an advisory for Singaporean citizens living or travelling to Delhi NCR. The advisory urges citizens to exercise caution in view of poor air quality and to avoid any unnecessary outdoor activities and to strictly follow health-related guidelines. So this is the latest that we are getting on this. The Singaporean authorities have also issued guidelines for citizens who may be in the Delhi NCR region travelling here. This is after the implementation of GRAP Stage 4 response by the Central Pollution Control Board. Singapore High Commission has issued this advisory for Singaporean citizens living or travelling to Delhi NCR. They've urged citizens to exercise caution in view of poor air quality and to avoid unnecessary outdoor activities and to strictly follow all health-related guidelines also. As you know, Delhi woke up to thick smog today, visibility to near zero. These are hazardous conditions. Of course, we've seen Delhi, Noida, parts of Akshardham and Dwarka blanketed by thick smog this morning. The visibility is down to zero, close to 50 meters or so. It is impacting the quality of life of the citizens of Delhi NCR. And in light of GRAP Stage 4 restrictions that have been put in place, the Singapore High Commission has now also issued an advisory for all citizens travelling to Delhi NCR, urging them to follow all health-related guidelines and to avoid being outdoors. Delhi woke up to dense winter fog, sharply reducing visibility to near zero across the city. It slowed early morning traffic. We were also expecting some flight disruptions as a result of this. And the India Met Department has issued an orange alert for 3 hours as the city's air quality worsens. For more on this, we're now being joined by Srishti. Srishti, thank you so much for joining us. You've been bringing us all the updates on this. Of course, now we're seeing the kind of impact this heavy smog is having on the lives of the people of Delhi NCR. What can you tell us?
Yes, so the advisories are being given out by different departments considering the air quality index has already plunged into the severe category, severe plus category in fact, with it being recorded over 450. Over the last few hours, we saw dense fog enveloping the entire national capital region. We got the visuals from different parts of the Delhi which were covered in this dense fog. Here in the national capital, it is actually smog because the level of pollution is extremely high. Now, as you can see behind me, the visibility has significantly improved compared to early morning hours because of the sunlight, but it's still really bad. Now, several departments, including the India Meteorological Department, has given out a warning considering that the weather conditions are extremely unfavorable. Now, see, during the day, the temperatures are still hovering around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius, which are still near normal for this time of the month. But the temperatures during the night have really plummeted. Over the last few days, two western disturbances have impacted northwest India, bringing in a lot of moisture into the atmosphere. So when there's a lot of moisture in the air and if there's a lot of pollution, then it creates a deadly combination, which is basically smog. Over the last 3 days, Delhi has been facing extremely bad air quality. It's actually severe plus. Now, this is the highest, levels of pollution which are being recorded across the monitoring stations. Now, according to the CPCB, the way India measures its air quality is still far more lenient than what the WHO does. Now, if we actually go by those standards, then this air quality is actually very alarming. So doctors and experts are also urging people to wear masks when they step out, avoid unnecessary travel, which will help at least bring down the number of vehicles on the road and actually help them protect their health and especially, their children and the elderly people. All those, the kind of exercise you schedule outdoors, go for morning or evening walks, I think that can really be avoided for this time, at least till the weather conditions actually, turn a bit favorable and, bring down the pollution to some extent. But as of now, as you can see behind me, it's still really bad.
Right, absolutely, Srishti. And for the benefit of our viewers, if you could just tell us of all the restrictions that are right now in place. As we know, of course, GRAP 4 has been implemented in Delhi and all the alerts and restrictions currently which are in place so that our viewers are better informed.
Definitely. So the Commission for Air Quality Management in Delhi NCR, which actually reviews the Graded Response Action Plan, As of now, in the entire national capital, we have stage 4 of the graded response action plan, which is the highest level of emergency response that the city can actually invoke. Under these measures, there are several restrictions on especially vehicles. So the vehicles coming from outside Delhi, which are less than BS4 standards, are not permitted to enter the city unless they are carrying some essential goods. There are restrictions on the vehicular movement in several parts of the city as well. There is extra deployment of traffic personnel to ensure that the traffic congestion does not take place, considering these are working days. People have been urged to wear masks. Burning of waste, open burning of waste is completely prohibited. The intensification of dust mitigation measures, which includes road sweeping, the sprinkling of water on the roads, that has kind of intensified. There are a lot of advisories being given out by different departments.
Right.
For the school students, as I said, there is hybrid mode of learning being also promoted.
Absolutely. Well, Srishti, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this.